Here's how to create an authentic paper collage design in Affinity. I'm Jeremy from the Artifacts Forge, and I'll be using Affinity shapes and real paper textures from our Papercraft Collage toolkit to create this paper space scene. First, I'm dragging and dropping shapes from the Assets panel to create the main design. I'm recoloring the shapes to make them visible against the background. I'm combining multiple instances of this shape to create the sky shape. The Papercraft pack features over 270 ready-cut shapes, perfect for creating a huge range of designs. And each shape was made from genuine hand-cut paper. And I'm merging them into a live compound using the merge boolean operation. I'm going to continue to build the design by adding more shapes. Keep an eye on the Assets panel to see the variety of included shapes. To create the astronaut's body, I'm clipping a circle shape using a copy of the background circle shape by dragging one icon into the other icon on the Layers panel. To create the astronaut's face, I'm using an eye from a paper whale shape combined with a half circle. I'm doing this in a new artboard so you can see the process easily. I'm deleting the unwanted parts of the whale. Flipping the eyes vertically. Adding the half circle mouth. Then merging the shapes. It's coming together really quickly. The Papercraft pack also includes pre-made scenes, fold overlays, torn paper edge brushes and fold brushes, along with the real paper texture styles, which I'm going to use next to transform these shapes. And that's the most fun part, so keep watching to see how it transforms the shapes. If you have any questions about the pack or the process, please let me know in a comment below. I'd also love to hear from you if you have any suggestions for future Affinity videos. I'm not quite happy with some of the positioning, so I'm going to make a few changes. I deliberately used live compounds which leave the original shapes unchanged, so this process is really easy and it allows the users to experiment, making as many changes as they need. I'm adding some text to the speech bubble. And now it's time to add the paper and card collage textures. I'm adding a background rectangle shape, and I'm applying a watercolour paper texture by clicking an icon from the panel. The texture is applied instantly. I'm now using the fill tool to resize and position the texture. The fill tool was known as the gradient tool in Affinity 2. I'm now switching to the subtle corrugated card texture styles and applying one to the sky shape. I'm going to transform the rest of the image by adding more paper and card textures. Every texture was sourced from the real thing and has been converted into a repeat pattern. These tile seamlessly and can be used to fill infinite sized areas without seeing ugly edges. This colossal paper and card texture library includes handmade and craft papers, corrugated, tissue paper, grey board, glitter card, screwed up paper, metallic card, grid paper and other craft supplies. And each paper has been combined with editable effects which give the papers their realistic depth. For the nose cone, I'm duplicating the triangle texture shape and adding a levels adjustment layer to lighten the colour slightly. Upping the output black level does the trick. And I'm adjusting the outer shadow effect to give it less depth. I'm duplicating the shape for use on the rocket booster. And now I'm applying the final batch of paper textures, and I'll edit some of the effects as part of the process. And the papercraft collage is finished. Want to start making your own realistic paper collages? Then click the link to get the pack from artifactsforge.com now. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and follow our channel for more Affinity videos. Be sure to check out the next video too to learn more about working with styles. The video also contains info about a free styles sample. See you in the next one.